Hey everyone, this is Manivanna. So in this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to deploy your Rails project in Heroku. So this is a small project I was developed with Ruby and Rails, and so front end framework as a AngularJS and back end as a Ruby and Rails. For design purpose, I used Bootstrap framework. So this project is about a Bitly clone. So it's about creating a short URL of your original URL. This is a small project I developed with AngularJS and Ruby and Rails. So here I'm going to show you how to deploy your current project current project to Heroku. So first of all, I'll create a new repository in Bitbucket, and I will add a remote git remote to my localhost. So git init and remote add, and now git add. I need to add all the file. So for that, git add space dot. So next, you need to commit. Finally, git push. So now everything is done. So here it is. Here is my main branch. So all my files are available in this branch. So right now everything is done. So I'll show you how to right now. I'll show you how to deploy your project in Heroku. So before that, you need to do a simple step. You need to install Heroku in your operating system. So Heroku, search Heroku tool belt, and you need to install appropriate your operating system. So here my operating system is macOS, so I need to download this. I need to install in my local, in my operating system. So I was installed, I downloaded already. I was installed in my local system. So we need to clarify whether it is properly installed or not. So for that, go to your terminal. So type Heroku, sorry, which Heroku. So which Heroku, it will give a result of your installation process, path of Heroku. So and you want to check the Heroku version. So this is the command for checking Heroku version. So here it is. Currently I am using 3.4 3.43.0. This is my Heroku version. So now everything is done. So now I will show you what are the steps you need to follow. First, the first step is we need to log in into Heroku. So the command for login into Heroku is Heroku login. So here you need to enter your credentials. So before that you need to create one account in Heroku. So after creating, you need to add a login in your terminal. So this is my, and this is my password. I need to type. So now everything is done. Now we are logging into a particular user. So now after login, we need to add a key into Heroku. So for that, this is the command for adding key. So you need to type Y and enter. So now everything is done. So we logged into Heroku, and we added a key. So now next step is now we need to create a new account in Heroku. So account in the sense URL. So it will automatically create the URL name will be automatically create. So the command for creating new URL is Heroku create. So we have reached the limit of 5 unverified. So okay, I was created already around 5 different URL. So I'll delete any one so that I can easily deploy my project into Heroku. Now can I delete? Yes, here it is. Um, Deleting app. Enter your name. So yes, it is. So Heroku will provide a 5 free app for your login for a free login system. So now I have only 4. So I'll try right now. Heroku create. So here it is. Here is my URL of my project. So here it is. So I will check whether it's created or not. So here it is. So here is my URL and we'll check whether it is well, yes it is. So right now we created a new new URL in Heroku app. So next step is, so after that what we need to do is we need to push all our local file to Heroku. So for that this is the command git push Heroku master. So now all of our files is uploading into Heroku. So we are deploying all our files into Heroku. So we need to wait a couple of minutes for deploying. And once it's deployed, it will automatically Heroku will automatically install all of our gem file. So this is a very useful method which Heroku provide to us. So it will install all of our gems. So now everything is done. We'll check whether it is working or not. So yeah, here it is. Here everything is working fine, but I mean some it's working, but somewhat problem is happening. We'll check what is the exact problem. For that, put Heroku logs. So we deployed our project. See here is our my URL name. So everything is fine. So yeah, so attached database. So our database migration we need to do. So that's why it is producing a error message. So for that, what we need to do is Heroku run rake db migrate. So now we need to do a migrate for our Heroku project because we need to create a database. I mean, we need to create a database and we need to create a table. So without database, our project will not work. So this is just that's why it produced a error message. So now we are doing a migration. So now we are getting a timeout error. So no problem. I have another one command to resolve this error. So Heroku run um, detach rake db migrate and enter. So here it is. So everything is done. We'll check a log file of your current execution. So, so here it is. Everything our table has been created in our Heroku app. So as DB migration is done. So we'll check whether it is working or yes. So here is our project. We successfully deployed our AngularJS Rails project into Heroku. So I can able to sign up. So, so this is a simple step to deploy our Rails Angular project into Heroku. So thanks for watching video and subscribe my channel for more videos.